Quickest way to do this question is to just try other sequences and see if it works. So the next one up, and notice that they have to be consecutive. So it would be 23 divided by 4 for the next one. That clearly doesn't give 5. Then 34 divided by 5, that doesn't give 6. It's 6 and a bit. 45 divided by 6, that's not going to be a whole number. That's not going to give 7. 56 divided by 7, however, does give 8. So S is going to be 8 here. Well, that's how I would do it, and it's quite quick. I'm just going to show you if you ever do challenges at a higher level, you might be asked to show that these two that we found are the only two that exist, and it's quite an interesting way to show it. Have a look at the extended solutions or watch on for how I'm going to show it now. So let's say we've got the digits x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3. Those are our consecutive digits. We want to construct this number where this is actually the tens digit and this is the units digit. So that means we're going to get 10 lots of x, just like we had 10 lots of 1 here to get the 12. And then I'm going to be adding x plus 1. That's going to be my my number that I'm dividing by. Another way to explain this is to say that 23 is 10 lots of 2 plus 3. So that's where I'm getting this from here. And if I divide that by this x plus 2, I'm going to get x plus 3. And of course, this is complicated, but it's also going to get me the answer without just trying things out. So this is going to lead to my left-hand side. If I multiply through by x plus 2, my left-hand side is going to become 11x plus 1. And then I'm going to get a double bracket. Of course, we'll require more advanced skills now in this question 3, but still, let's go over it. So multiply the double bracket, x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. And that's still 11x plus 1, so minus the 11x and minus the 1. X squared, that's going to give me 5x. If I minus 11x, it will be minus 6x. And then plus 5 equals 0. Now here's an even more advanced skill. We could factorize this into a double bracket. Just like I expanded it. Notice when I expanded it, I ended up with a 6 here because I multiplied the 2 and the 3. And I actually end up with 5x, which is what happens when I add the 2 and the 3 together and then put an x in. So I can do the opposite. Two numbers that multiply to give 5, but add to give minus 6. Actually, it's minus 5 and minus 1. I'm not going to get into any more detail on that, but have a look into that topic if you've not seen it before, factorizing quadratics. So this equals 0, and that means that x is going to equal 1 or 5. These are the only two solutions that we could get from which we can construct our full solution. 1, 2, 3, 4 when x is 1, and 5, 6, 7, 8 when x is 5.